Welcome back to Corporate Bites. Today we are going to Japan. I have right here. It's called the Hamburg steak. Good. Let's see what they got in here. Wow, there's all patty. Mushroom and carrots.
Yes. So, that will go with these so next we will put the package together and leave with you.
So this is actually Hamburg steak in curry with carrots, veggies, mushrooms, and rice. Specs on this: 600 calories, 40 grams of protein, 35 grams of fats, 30 grams of carbs. Because the rice, Let's get into this. Check this out. Oh, the meat fell off. Got carrots in here. Carrots and mushrooms, I think. Hamburg. Real soft and tender. 9 out of 10. Would do it again.